Okay, we got a long box, and I'm convinced that this box is larger than it needs to be. It is pretty large. I mean, if I'm just grabbing the closest DVD I can, if I compare it to like a DVD there, which just happens to be Scooby-Doo and the Boo with us because it's sitting on my desk, yeah, it's a bit large. Oh, I thought that was a pull tab. It's not. So wait, you're telling me this box does not have a pull tab? Oh, of course it does. Ah, okay. I looked at it this side and I'm thinking, what the hell is this? I don't remember ordering this. Now I looked at this side. Yes, this is the Electronic Sounds Delia Derbyshire special, which has an interesting smell. And there's the main reason I bought this, which I'll just put that bit to the side. You can see there the price is $6.99 there, although this was $9.99 because this is the special edition version, which comes with an extra thing. Yeah, it also has a really, I don't know, an almost soft touch feel to it. It feels a bit weird. But to be honest, the magazine itself, actually, yeah. You know what, some of it might be interesting to me because, okay, but I'm not really bothered about the magazine, though I do quite like the artwork on it on the front. So this one is not going to get chucked. This one will go up there for now until I find a place for it. But this, which is the more expensive version, comes with this. Now, what is this? It says Doctor Who at the top, and it is the theme from the BBC series. And on the back, just a bit of information. Hooray. Actually, I might put this video out today. Actually, yeah, but because this is a brand new release. So in here, and it's already got a mark or something, or dust or something on it already, is a 7-inch vinyl record. And this obviously has the, yeah, it is a 45, I thought so. So yeah, it's yellow. It's a bit odd, it being yellow, to be honest. There we go. And it is very thin as well. But yeah, on side A we've got the Doctor Who theme, which I am assuming, this is just assuming though, I'm assuming that this is the original Derbyshire 1963 version. At least I'm assuming. I can't play it for you because the BBC will eat me. But I will listen to it later at the next opportunity I get, and then I'll let you know. And on the other side of this LP we have, no, EP, sorry. Strange Lines and Distances. Original sound elements by Delia Derbyshire. A printed facsimile extract from the... Okay. You know what, actually, is this plastic lined? No, it's not, it's just cardboard. That's unfortunate. But tell you what, I'll let you read that. Okay, so yeah, this is the main reason I bought it. Although the magazine is nice, the artwork on it is, I don't know, supposed to be electronic-y sounds or something, I'm guessing. But yeah, it is nice to have this. It costs, you can buy it from electronics website. Yeah, here we go. It's electronicsounds.co.uk. It actually says it at the bottom. Yeah, so zoom in and focus on that. No. Okay, come on. There it is. So yeah, electronicsounds.co.uk. And I think with delivery, I believe this costs about £14. So yeah. Nevertheless, glad to have it. You know I love me vinyls, so obviously glad to have this in the collection. And you know what, I think I will upload this video today. I was going to put it in a Doctor Who item, so Box of Things, it's a new release. That's only, well, presumably just being released today. So yeah, it's good to have this in the collection, and I'm happy to have it. Unless it hasn't been released today, I couldn't tell you, and I don't know whether it's being released in the shops. All I know is it was on their website, so yeah, that's that. Knick-knack, paddywhack, yay.